Hey guys, so I hope the audio is clear. So I'm going on my first backpacking trip ever with Sujit, you know, the badass rider, the Splendor rider from my previous vlogs, the Ooty vlog. So we are heading to Gokarna. We are going to be boarding a bus from Waitla. We are at Waitla right now. It's going to be a KSRTC bus, Scania, to Mangalore, and from there Mangalore to Kumta we are going to be doing a train ride. We haven't decided which train yet, so let me just go and meet Sujit. I'm at Waitla. Couldn't shoot from the home, from my home, and everything other than this part is going to be on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I finally bought. It was a long time wish and I finally got hold of it. Every time I thought of buying, I was like, okay, should I spend that much on a camera? And then I said, like, finally I just, gave in, like, okay, let's do some fantastic vlogs, videos, etc. So let's go and meet Sujit, and from there we'll be boarding the bus. It will be a boarding ride. So tomorrow morning maybe. Let's see. Let's go with it. Let's go and meet Sujit. So, good morning guys, reached Mangalore. We're just buying the things that we forgot to take from home. So, the train is at 8:15 from here, it's now 7:15. We'll be just maybe getting into some lodge and just trying to freshen up, and or else from the railway station, I'm not sure. So, we're going to be heading somewhere near the railway station, then look for the lodge. And know whether the audio is clear. I hope it is. So yeah, that is the plan as of now. So let us find a way to get out of this place. Okay, see you at the railway station. So we just got into the train, and Sujit is gone for buying something to eat, and we just freshened up at the railway station's waiting lounge, the AC waiting lounge, and yeah, kind of getting into this, okay, someone's calling, just a minute. So yeah, as I was saying, we just freshened up and went out to buy breakfast. So it will be a 5-hour journey from here to Kumta, and once we reach Kumta, then we straight heading to Gokarna, and we'll try to find a place to stay first and settle things, charge the phone, etc. We are almost out of battery. I didn't think that I'd bring a power bank. I forgot that. So we are first backpacking trip at a lot of mistakes. We'll learn the long run, I guess. So yeah, so far so good. Let's see what happens. And this boring 5-hour journey is what I have to kind of endure through somehow. I really hate train journeys, but yeah, it was also a different kind of an experience, and got experience once in a lifetime. I mean, like, I'm sure I'm going to be experiencing this more, but yeah, let's see. So, see you, and I don't know if something interesting happens on train, see you then. Otherwise, at Kumta. See you then. But this feels good. I can see myself in the mirror behind this. അവസ്ഥയായിട്ട് നോക്കി all deserted except for the people I think who are heading to Gokarna. So yeah, we'll be catching an auto from here and heading to the town, and we'll be having lunch from there and then heading to Gokarna. We'll be catching a bus to Gokarna. So yeah, let's get on the auto.
What is this, bro? What is this?
GoPro.
GoPro means
It's an action camera.
action camera.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Punit,
Puneet. Where are you from?
I am from Haveri.
Haveri.
Haveri. You are bro?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala.
This is Sujit. He's my
I am
friend.
studying in Mangalore, bro.
Bangalore. Oh, okay.
So now where going?
Now we are going to Gokarna.
Gokarna.
Heading to Gokarna from Kumta. We'll be having lunch in Kumta.
Okay.
There is places for lunch, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going now?
Now I am going to Haveri.
Haveri,
It means it's nearby.
Okay. So yeah, that's it. We'll meet you after lunch. Stay tuned. Oh, finally reached Gokarna. So now we have to search for a place to eat, a place to sleep, and also decide on which beach, whether we are visiting some other beach other than the main Gokarna beach today. So what you're saying is like, never mind, leave it. So yeah, let's find a place to kind of get my phone charged. Just find a place to eat and get the phone charged from there, and then find a place to kind of stay for the night, and then go explore the beaches. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's go. So we are on our way to Half Moon Beach. We went to the Gokarna beach and then we found out that there were no places to stay over there. And we are on this crazy auto ride. I am just testing the stability of this. It's like a hyper stabilization, testable kind of path. If you can see, this is the road that we are going on. We have a super auto ride. And look at this place. Okay, I can't just put my camera out there. Something is going to catch me. So it's been a totally bumpy ride. I've not had so much of bumpy ride even on my motorcycle. So it's the siren. I don't know whether he broke something. I think I broke something inside. I felt it. Okay, we're here. So let's get off now. Beach straight stay वहाँ मिलेगा ना 250 from the Gokarna beach to Half Moon Beach. It was 250 for the auto, and I don't know how much it is going to cost us for the stay. So thanks. YouTube vlog. Okay, so the beach is down that path, I guess. Let's go that path. Finally reached Half Moon Beach. and these are the kind of shacks available, I guess. ആദ്യം തീരുമാനിക്കും എനിക്ക് എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്യണം, ടൂറിസ്റ്റിനെ പോലെ പോകണം. So this is Half Moon Beach, and yeah, it's not so crowded, and this seems to be trekking path towards Kudle Beach, I guess. Kudle Beach, that should be Kudle Beach. So here is the view. Beautiful, peaceful, calm. So we just got off the cafe. We had 2 watermelon juices and just got off the cafe because they were taking a long time to prepare the food. We just ordered jam toast and they were taking like, it took about like 1.5 hours. Okay, I just got frightened by the dogs. There were 2 tiny dogs over there. So endo and then we decided to leave. The only good thing, yeah, So we've decided to head to Kudle Beach because there seems to be no stays here and food is taking a long time, so we decided. We ordered a jam toast and waited for about 1.5 hours. The good thing is that I got my phone charged, luckily. So that's the only good thing that came out of this cafe. But amazing view over here, peaceful, calm, serene, like you can see over here. So just got off the shack, Shiva Moon Cafe at Half Moon Beach, and we had 2 veg burgers, awesome veg burgers with fries and a wet salad to add to it, and it was really awesome. And now we are waiting for the boat. The boat is here, but the boat guy is waiting for people to join. More people to join. It's just about 5 people now. He needs to fill the boat, it seems. So yeah, I hope this is going to be my first boat ride. I mean, like, first proper boat ride through the sea. And let's see what happens. It's so peaceful out here. Really peaceful, really calm. Wonderful atmosphere. Just don't feel like leaving this beach. But let's head to Om Beach. We're heading to Om Beach now. And the boat ride is costing us about 200 per person to Om Beach. So that is the option of trekking, but we are too tired now, so we thought of, taking the boat. Here the other side. So landed at Om Beach right now after the boat ride. I just got my shoes all wet. I thought of wearing a triple, but Sujit refused, and I wore the shoes and just got off the boat, and yeah, it got all wet. But it's going to dry soon, I guess, or else I'll have to find a way to dry tomorrow morning. Anyways, so we have landed at Om Beach and now we have to find a place to stay. The boat guy said that there is something called Namaste Cafe here, or you might find one of the shacks over there. So I'm just going to be going and finding out, asking in each and every place, and seeing which would be suitable. So let's see what happens. Sujit, Fuck. Bap over means let's go. So we're just getting out from Namaste Cafe. We still couldn't find a stay. We checked all of Wombe Beach and yet we couldn't find a stay. So we came to Namaste Cafe and asked for accommodation, and they said the non-AC room is about 3,500, right? Yeah, 3,500. So then we decided that it's too expensive, and so decided to take something on MMT, and we found something called Shanti Krishna Residency on Kudli Beach Road, and now we are heading to that place. So we found it for like 2,000, and seems like a good room. Let's go and check it out. Still couldn't step my foot on my beach. I mean, not my beach, on any of the beaches yet. In Gogana since morning. I mean, since noon. And still couldn't step a foot on the beach. Okay, so we'll be putting our bags there and probably we'll be heading to Kudli Beach. I hope Kudli Beach is nearby to this place called Shanti Krishna Residency. If it's not, we are fucked again. Sorry for the language, but yeah. So yeah, let's head to Shanti Krishna Residency.